How to fix Snapchat sound not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you are having trouble with your Snapchat sound. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your Snapchat, and from here just head over to your profile section. Once you get to your profile, at the top right, you will see the gear icon, which will open up your settings. And from here, just scroll down a bit until you see the notification section. Just tap on it and make sure that all of these notifications are allowed. And what you need to do mainly is scroll down and make sure that these three notifications are allowed. So the vibrate, sound, and ring are allowed on your notification section. Once you do that, you are just gonna open up your Snapchat settings. So just go ahead and open up its app info like this. And from here, just tap on permissions. Just make sure all of these permissions are allowed on your Snapchat. And once you do that, your problem should be fixed. You can also try to force stop this app once and then you should be good to go. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon and I will see you guys on the next one.